Welcome to Star University, where innovation and education come together to live, learn, and lead. We are dedicated to transforming education through the power of virtual and hybrid learning. Join us on this transformative journey as we dare to reimagine global education. In this digital age, we are not just observers, we are active participants in the educational revolution. We have programs across the globe and partner with local universities to create educational platforms that are beacons of knowledge and growth, sharing transformative learning experiences with the world. We teach agricultural business in Nigeria, helping to empower the local community to not only feed themselves, but others as well as create opportunities for entrepreneurship. Our newest program is in Pakistan, where we host a full range of educational opportunities ranging from virtual production studio technology to entrepreneur programs to teacher education. If the Center for Global Ministries is our heart, our foundation is media and technology, offering courses in virtual production, social media, and advanced technology. Headquartered in Oklahoma, the heart of the historical Indian Territory in the United States, our newest academic center is focused on tribal studies and language revitalization. Our global faculty are not just academics, but experts in their field with real-life experiences that are passed on to students. Our mission is straightforward, yet profound, to bring quality, online Christian higher education first and foremost to underserved populations around the world, giving them the education necessary to live fulfilling lives.